Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery to Framer. This is a fantastic way to showcase multiple images in a sleek, professional layout on your website, whether you're building a portfolio, displaying products, or simply creating a visual collection for your visitors. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to commonninja.com. This is a platform that offers various widgets you can integrate into your website, and their image gallery widget is exactly what we need for this tutorial. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a button labeled Create Widget. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can browse through different widget options available. In the search bar that appears, type Image Gallery and click on the result that matches. This opens up the Image Gallery Widget Editor, which is where you'll customize your gallery to fit your website's style and content needs. Now you can start editing your image gallery. You'll see fields where you can input a title for your gallery, upload images, and add captions, descriptions, and even links to each image. This is particularly useful if you want viewers to click through to a product page or a detailed blog post. Take your time here to upload all the images you want to display and fill in any relevant information that enhances the viewer's experience. On the left side of the screen, you'll notice a Design tab. Click on it to access customization options for the visual appearance of your gallery. Here, you can adjust the layout, choose between grid or carousel styles, and tweak colors or spacing to match your website's aesthetic. These design settings are crucial for ensuring your gallery looks cohesive with the rest of your site. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, click Save Changes in the upper right corner. A prompt will appear asking you to select a file project, choose the appropriate project, then click Save. This stores all your customization settings and prepares your gallery for embedding. Next, click Publish. This generates the embed code you'll need to integrate the gallery into Framer. Make sure to copy this code as you'll be pasting it into Framer in just a moment. Now switch over to Framer. At the top of the screen, click on Insert, then select Utility from the drop-down menu. This section contains various utility elements you can add to your Framer project, including the embed feature we need. Drag the embed element onto your canvas. Once it's placed, look to the left side of the screen under the embed settings. You'll see a field labeled Type. Next to it, click HTML. This is where you'll paste the embedded code you copied earlier from Common Ninja. Go ahead and paste it into this field. Now you can resize your image gallery by dragging its corners or edges to fit perfectly within your design. Adjust it so it looks balanced and integrates seamlessly with the rest of your page layout. And that's it. You've successfully added an image gallery to your Framer website, giving your visitors an engaging way to browse through your visual content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.